Hey, what's up guys? So we're back out for another bash, just at this oval thing, but as you can see, I got the ramp out and my piece of carpet's there still from like 2 weeks ago. Well, Dad's Marauder, my VRX Cobra Violence and the HSP Breaker, so we'll see how we go. I'm going to use the Breaker first. Alright guys, so this is just 2-cell, I'm not quite sure how it's going to go, but oh, don't like them landings. Oh, I'm off. I've been turned off. Being plugged in. Oh, really? Dad's diff's gone already. Yeah, I've got to move this jump, I think. It really moves for a 2-cell. Why did I do that? Yeah, the suspension's a little bit too soft for these sort of jumps, I think. That was a good one though. Oh, that didn't sound good. Whoa, that's huge. That was nice. Nice. Alright, Dad's turn with the HSP Breaker. Don't kill me! Ah, beautiful! Nice! Oh, hey! I may as well just chuck another battery in the Breaker for Dad, and I'll grab the VRX out and have a little bit of a bash. Oh, that's broken. That'll be the shot. Alright, time for a double. That'll be the last jump for now, I think. Oh yeah. Actually, that just needs to tighten. Oh, no. Oh, broke a swing arm. So there we go. I broke a swing arm here. I'm gonna have a quick little go of this, and then we're gonna have to go anyway. Nice. Oh! Whoa. Oh, nice. I'm gonna have to count that one. Oh, there's that. This cap pack keeps falling out. I'm not sure where to put it. I haven't got any double-sided tape or anything. You know what, guys? I might leave it there. Yeah, everything's starting to break now. My HSP, my VRX Cobras broken. Just a swing arm, and Dad's Marauder, I'm pretty sure it's done another differential somehow. I'm not sure why. But this seems to be holding up. Which is a real surprise. So yeah, as usual, cheers, catch you in the next video, and as always, stay safe. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget, like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, just leave a comment down below.